Hello, welcome to another tutorial. Today we are going to learn a song Capable God from Judikay. We're going to be playing in the key of F sharp. Alright, now all the videos that you've been watching that I've been making, if you click the like button, the subscription, and then you share it on any social media, it helps me to grow and it helps YouTube to be able to suggest my videos to a wider audience. So I'll be very glad if you can click, and then in the comment below let me know what you think about my tutorials, what I can do to improve upon it to make you learn better. Thank you. Alright, so let's continue with the song. Now this song has a simple intro with and this intro is a 1 7 6 4. So you play like this. Alright, so that's how slowly I can get it for you. So it starts on a chord 1. What can't you do? This is a chord 1. Then chord 7. Now I'm playing my 5th chord on the right and then 7 on the left. F, C, F. And then this is my chord 6. And then chord 4. So that's for the intro. Then it starts chord 1, chord 7, 1, 7, 6. Now you can play your 6 this way, alright, or you can play this way, okay, or this. Then you move to 4. That's for the very first stanza after the intro. Then you play 1, 7, 6, 5, 4. Then you come back to 1. But this time around, you'll be playing in a descending mode, like 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5. Now if you are new to the key of F sharp, this is your chord 1, chord 2, chord 3, chord 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. You can use this to play what I'm playing, so you should know this is your chord 1, or you follow what I'm showing you. Alright, so since it's a descending, 1 6 7 6 5 4 3 2 5, you can, you know, blend it and make it nicer. So 1 7 over 5 6. Now from the 6 you can move to 3 and then come to 4, back to 3 and then 2, and then you play 2 over 5. So let's go over the chords again. This is your chord 1, chord 7, chord 6, chord 5, 4, 3, 2, then 2 over 5. This is 5, this is 2. Then chord 1. Alright, so I believe these chords should help you, and I'll be very grateful if you can still put your comments in the comment section below for me to know what you think about the tutorial. God bless you, and don't forget to subscribe to help my channel grow.